everybody, today we are talking about the Wix affiliate program. Now what is Wix? Wix is a website builder. It's really awesome for people who are looking to get started to build websites but feel really intimidated by the whole idea of getting the domain name and getting the hosting and using WordPress. Wix basically does all that stuff and you can do it pretty quickly. I think as a product, Wix has some limitations, and so it's not a product that I use in my business, but I do think that with some effort, you could actually make Wix a fairly decent affiliate product. And I think I probably could too if it was something I wanted to put time into. I've never actually looked very carefully at the Wix affiliate program, and lately I've been looking at lots of different products because I've been evaluating adding a few more affiliate products and doing more promoting myself here on my YouTube channel and on my various blogs. And so, it's been kind of nice to get in there and start seeing what else is out there. So as far as Wix goes as an affiliate program, I think Wix is a fairly decent product. I mean, from what I know about it, I mean, it's a big company, it's a reputable company. It's not like it's a company that's going to take your money and run. To be a Wix affiliate, you don't have to pay money or be a customer, which I think is important. I don't think you should have to pay to get access to the affiliate program, although there are some people who do think that you should have to pay to play. As far as the products go, you see there are products that cost between $13 and $39 a month, though there is a free version of Wix. So you can refer people to use Wix for free, and then if they decide to buy any of the premium products, that is when you can get paid. And what I like about this program is that I feel like their commissions are fairly good, actually. You refer somebody to the free program or to the premium program, and you can earn $100 for someone who converts their website, converts their free .wix site to premium. So it's $100 basically for getting someone signed up. That seems worthwhile. As far as, you're going to do all this work, right? Like, let's say you decide that you are going to promote a product on Amazon. Let's say it's this wrench, right? I think this is a good wrench, it's a good product, and I can make 10% of the sale of this wrench, which probably costs $13 on Amazon. I'm just making this up, okay? Or $10. $10 is easy. So 10% commission on a $10 product is $1. So I probably would spend about the same amount of time to create blog posts, a series of blog posts that are tutorials that involve this here wrench, and then videos about how to use this wrench and things you can do for this wrench. And then when I earn a sale, I would earn $1. Or I could do the same amount of work, and instead of focusing my videos and content around solutions that involve a wrench, I could create my content around a solution that involves Wix. And when somebody finally makes a purchase, instead of getting $1, I would get $100 because the Wix affiliate program is $100 per sale. So it is something that I may put in the wheelhouse as far as products to consider. I don't recommend Wix in general for people who are looking to build AdSense sites, which is what I am focusing on now. But as far as people who want to get into blogging and who want to get into affiliate marketing and who want to have a website up there and really fast, and they feel really intimidated by all of the stuff that comes with maybe using WordPress, Wix could be a really good option. So this is not a video where I'm recommending that you go buy Wix. There are no affiliate links here. This is not me trying to sell you something. This is just me sort of talking through what might be good about this particular product for affiliate marketing. I don't think I would use Wix myself, which is why I hesitate to say that I would want to jump in and promote it. But I'm just thinking out loud, acknowledging that WordPress is kind of intimidating for people, and maybe this would be a good product to get in and try out and see how it works, to see if it would be a good product that I would recommend to people who really just feel intimidated by WordPress. So I don't know. I think that the Wix affiliate program could be something worthwhile exploring. It seems pretty easy to get signed up with the program. It also the cookie is 30 days. I mean, I wish it were longer, but still, they have the links and creative materials, they have banners, they have all the things they give you so you can do stuff with them. The only other thing that kind of is like is they have a $300 threshold before you get paid. So you really have to get into the program and be really serious about it. I mean, you have to get at least 3 referrals before they will pay you any money, which I guess isn't that much considering that you have to um, that each commission is $100, so that's only 3 signups. It sounds like a lot to get $300, and it certainly would be if you are looking at Amazon affiliates. $300 is like selling, 3,000 wrenches. It seems like impossible. But I guess for Wix, if all you're doing is getting $100 commissions, then maybe it's not so bad. Anyway, this is the Wix affiliate program. Have you tried Wix or taken a look at their affiliate program? I would be really curious to hear what you had to say about it and whether or not it was a good product to promote. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave any other questions or concerns that you may have for me, and we'll see you in the next one.